As a Cotonou people, we need to celebrate our day. Today will be August, because this is the time where our people fight for us.
Yes, definitely.
They fight since 1960, and they fight. That today is 66 years.
So you people in Nigeria, what is your collaboration? What is how are you coping being in Nigeria?
We are coping. We are a farmer. We are some people learn work, tailor, POP, farmers. So we are doing many things in Odogbolu, many business in Odogbolu local government.
Definitely, now you are in Odogbolu local government. What is your collaboration with Odogbolu local government? What is your collaboration with Odogbolu local government being in Odogbolu local government?
So we need to join with the chairman of Odogbolu local government and the governor of Ogun State,
okay,
to see us to make us work with them.
Then with the president of Nigeria,
President of Nigeria,
President Asiwaju Bola Ahmed
Tinubu. Yes, to support
God bless.
us, we Beninese in Odogbolu,
yes,
in the whole Nigeria.
We thank God. Yes. Thank you very much. You can introduce yourself one more.
My name is Ifanu Seraphin, Chairman of Union of Beninese resident in Odogbolu local government.
Then you, let's know you.
My name is John Yeke.
You can say it in French. Elle est sonné French, elle est sonné Yoruba.
Yeke John ni olùkọ́ mi.
Oyè yín.
Èmi ni igbákejì chairman.
Yes, that's the two I see.
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir, let's know you.
Orúkọ tèmi ni Ṣẹ́gun Garago.
Okay.
Baálẹ̀ Odogbolu local government.
Baálẹ̀ Beninese. God bless. Thank you people for coming to Odogbolu local government. We appreciate everyone. And the chairman also appreciates you. The delegation is already waiting for you. We thank God. Ladies and gentlemen, we are here live, still live at, you have seen us at the local government, then the chairman and all the happy independence anniversary. Let me see that flag. Let me see it. To the Republic of Benin, they are celebrating in Odogbolu local government. God bless. You can say the chairman is here. The chairman, yes. You have seen him, he has spoken in at the local government. Yeah. You see that the recognition is always there. Then the ballet is here. So, Baba, you can still speak more. Let's see.
Oh, my name is Ifanu Seraphin, Chairman of Union of Beninese resident in Odogbolu local government. I'm the one coordinate all the Cotonou people in Odogbolu local government. And today we are celebrating our day, our Benin Republic Day today. Today, that's the 8th. We are celebrating our own Odogbolu.
Can you say that in French, sir?
French, oui.
Je m'appelle français.
Oui, mon nom c'est Fanou Seraphin. So, l'indépendance du Bénin, c'est aujourd'hui, c'est le 1er août 2026. Mais chez nous, au Nigeria ici, nous les Béninoises et Béninoises, qui résident à Odogbolu local government, so we are doing our own today, 8th. We are doing our own today, 8th on August 2026.
God bless, sir. Happy celebration.
Àwọn tí a invite gbogbo wa náà, àti gbogbo wọn, làwọn ẹ jẹ́ kí n tẹ̀sí French díẹ̀. Mon nom c'est Zombo Président. Je suis béninois. Donc aujourd'hui le 8 août, c'est le jour que nous avons préféré faire notre indépendance dans Odogolo Local Government. Le 1er août, c'est notre jour d'indépendance.
Et va pas Chairman Local Government.
66e anniversaire. Donc nous saluons directement notre chairman Odogolo Local Government.
Honorable Dr. Tunde Dia.
Qui son nom est Tunde Dia. Nous le saluons, honorable Tunde Dia. Nous le saluons de la part de notre président du Bénin, M. Romuald Wadani. Nous le saluons.
God bless you. So what should we be expecting today, sir?
Today, I'm
So, sir, introduce yourself, Baba.
my name is Mr. Meku Y. Akim.
Okay, sir.
My name is John Benhu.
So what should we be expecting today based on the celebration? Happy Independence Anniversary, I have to greet. Yes, sir.
Today, I greet Mr. Mayor Fanu Serafin. When they try for our people, Benin Public President and Odogolo Local Government and Ogun State. Today, when I come visit them, they don't invite me when I come visit them. I see how they organize the president of Benin and the Nigeria. I'm happy with the president, Fanu Serafin, that they are helping my people. They are helping my people. They take action with my people and Odogolo Local Government. So, thank you. I beg my people, Benin and Nigeria, to give me the respect to fulfill our government, Benin and Nigeria development. Thank you very much.
Okay, sir. Can you say that? I want you to say that in French. Je m'appelle français.
Je m'appelle Monsieur Meikou Akim.
Okay, sir.
À l'Ogun State.
Okay,
Bon, je remercie le président, le maire, Fanu Serafin, avec les délégués de quartier et aussi les membres des bureaux à Odogolo Local Government. Bon, sans vous mentir, moi je suis le Sénat des Béninois résidents au Nigeria, à Abuja. Aujourd'hui, il m'a invité de venir que notre indépendance, il ne fait jamais oublier. C'est pourquoi ils ont invité les Béninois qui sont à l'Ogun State. Aujourd'hui, moi aussi, j'ai considéré Monsieur le Fanu Serafin, le maire de Odogolo. Même chose, il est en train, concernant nous les Béninois résidents au Nigeria. Je vous remercie beaucoup.
Inshallah, the chairman of Odogolo Local Government is with you. People, he has sent his message, and by the grace of God, the chairman has sent the delegations here. They have sent it, they will be very much right. Yeah, happy celebration, happy independence celebration. He also sent me to this place. So God bless Honorable Dr. Babatunde Dia. God bless her. Happy Independence Anniversary to the Benin-Mois, the Benin Republic. Odogolo Local Government. That's the national anthem of the Benin-Mois, Benin Republic. They are celebrating the 66th anniversary in Odogbodo local government.
Thank you, everybody.
Ladies and gentlemen, for the Benin Women in Nigeria, for that national anthem, it has been recognized, and we thank God for the Benin Women in Nigeria. God bless.